Hey everyone, so hold on, I'm clearing the camera. Okay, so I got my door handle back finally, or my door handle, tailgate handle. I took it to a paint shop, B&B here in Idaho Falls. TJ did amazing work as he did my handles on this side, but he did an amazing job and really good prices and everything. So I'm just putting it back together, but all you literally have to do to take it apart or take it off and take it on, and obviously is what you want to do is be careful, because these tabs are the worst things ever right there. So if you, I do not want to break these at all, because they just got painted obviously, and I do not want to have to go buy another one and have him paint it again. But all you gotta do is literally, I'm just kind of mock it up for a second, but what you do is push this down and then pull out, and then it'll come out. You feed it out like that, and then to take this one out, all you gotta do is take off these 3 bolts. They're 14 millimeter. Take off that, and you're good. And then that's how you take it off, and it's super easy. And then you take off the little clips right here. So, and then you put them back in. So now we're just gonna reverse it. So hold on, let's see. Then I'll put these in. Let's see. Crap, so let's get this kind of tied on there. Just hand tight so they're not coming off. Come on. Okay, so then I'm gonna pull them both in, because hopefully the tailgate won't pop in my hands. It's probably easier if I just go like this. Pull the handle, feed it through, clip it on. Same thing here. Put it through the hole, pop it in, and then screw away. Okay, so here's the hard part. I'm like, I had another one of these, and I kind of just try to put it together, and just to see, I'm like, and I put it like this, like how they usually do it, and the thing's broke. Okay, there we go. It went on. That was scary. But that's how you take it off and take it on. You just don't want to. Look at it a couple times. So all you literally need is this. Just a 14 millimeter wrench socket, and you're good. And it looks great. Sexy. Wow. Coming together. Cool. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell in the corner. It'll help me out. I guess YouTube sometimes is screwing up with everyone's subscriptions, or some people they subscribe to. Sometimes it doesn't even pop up saying that you subscribe to me, but we got another video coming up on Tuesday. So I'm so excited for that one. That's better than this, but yeah. So anywho, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, do whatever you want. Awesome. Thank you.